Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Human capital questions get easy when you separate investing in people from investing in machines, buildings, or bonuses, and this one turns on that distinction. Human capital means the knowledge, education, training, and skills workers carry with them. So watch this. We are looking for money spent improving a person's productive ability, not equipment. That immediately knocks out machinery and a new assembly line because those are physical capital. And hiring a skilled engineer uses existing talent rather than paying to build new skills. So paying tuition for a manager directly increases education and future productivity, which is exactly an investment in human capital, making option C the winner. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap. Signs can distract and rushing mislabels physical capital. Rule. Trust the given definition and check each choice carefully.